Customize your frequently used tools and effects, then keep them in one place with presets and favorites. As you select various effects, behaviors, annotations, and transitions, a star appears in the top right corner. Click the star to add them to your favorites. Once added, quickly access your favorites under the Favorites tab. To remove an item, right-click and select Remove from Favorites. As you work in Camtasia, use presets to save customized tools for future use. Let's create a customized callout. Click on Annotations, select a callout, place it on your canvas in the desired location. In the Properties panel, customize the color, outline, font, or other elements. When you've finished, click on the plus icon to save it as a preset. It is now added as a new annotation ready for use without the need to customize it each time. Make it even easier to access by selecting your new annotation and click the star to add it to your favorites. To view all callout styles, select All from the Style dropdown. Presets and favorites work for more than just annotations. Let's try this with a behavior. Select a behavior you use frequently and add it to an element on your timeline. In this case, we will use the arrow callout. In the Properties panel, customize the in, during, or out behaviors to animate as you desire. When you're finished, click the plus icon to create a preset. Give it a name and click OK. View the Behaviors tab to see it added as a new option. Select your new behavior and click the star to add it to your favorites. Click on the Favorites tab. After you add a lot of favorites, click the drop-down to narrow them down by type. To learn more about Camtasia, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.